Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee M04 problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So now try these first. So if you've got any VPNs, proxies or connections that change your IP, go ahead and disable them. Now, fix number 2 is try a different network. So if you use a mobile data, switch over to Wi-Fi and vice versa. And also try to check out on a different device. So use a friend's, family or a spare phone or even a PC browser. Now, if these don't work, we can go ahead and try other fixes. So now the first fix here is to log out and log back in. So this is safe and fast. So open the Shopee app, go to your profile, tap the gear icon, settings, then log out, sign in, sign out, then close the app completely. So force stop on Android if you can, then reopen Shopee and sign in again, and then try to check out. Now, fix number 2 here is go ahead and clear the app cache and data. So to do this, click and hold down the app, click onto I, scroll down, then click onto storage and clear cache. So what this does, so basically when you use the Shopee app, the app temporarily saves bits of data on your phone, and this can be images, pages, searches, etc. to help it load faster next time. This temporary storage is called cache. Now think of it like this. So clearing cache is like emptying the recent files folder on your computer. It basically frees up space and forces Shopee to fetch fresh data instead of using possible out data corrupted files, which is probably giving those errors when you're trying to check out at Shopee, or those M04 errors. Alright, so the next fix is to check for any app clones, emulators, or rooted phones. So if you're using a cloned Shopee app, so parallel apps or Android emulator like BlueStacks, Nox, etc., just stop. These are commonly flagged. So use the official Shopee app from that Player App Store on a normal unrooted non-emulated device. Now, if you've got multiple Shopee accounts, go ahead and remove them. So sign all of them out and just keep only the single account you want to shop with and test again. Now, another fix what we can do is go to a Player App Store, search for Shopee and make sure the app is up to date. If it says update, go ahead and update. But if it doesn't say update, that means your app is up to date. Now, the last resort here is just simply go ahead and reinstall Shopee. So go ahead and long press onto it, click onto uninstall, then go to your Play Store, re-download Shopee, and then even restart your phone before you use it again.